A very good evening, everyone. Myself Priya is back again with a Hindu editorial analysis on 12th October 2020. So, in today's editorial, there are two topics. The first one is signaling optimism, and the second one is food for peace. Okay, firstly, we are going to discuss the first article, that is signaling optimism, right? So, what is this? What does it mean? Signaling optimism. Optimism is nothing but hope, having hope on something. The RBI has clearly sought to talk of confidence, ignoring the risks of inflation. So, what RBI has clearly sought to talk up confidence, ignoring the risks of inflation. The RBI has used its last monetary policy review that unequivocally indicate that it will prioritize the revival of economic growth over inflation, at least through the end of the current financial year. So what the RBI is using its monetary policy review to unequivocally. What is meant by unequivocally? In a way that leaves no doubt, or clear, firm. The answer is an unequivocal yes. This is just an example for the word unequivocal. Unequivocally indicate that it will prioritize the revival of economic growth. What is meant by prioritize? Designate or treat something as very important. So you can say I designated to him. So you can say I prioritize more about him. Let us take an example. You must learn to prioritize your work, right? The bank's reconstituted monetary policy committee with 3 new external members unanimously voted to keep policy interest rates unchanged, even as it categorically stated that the RBI would continue with the accommodative stance as long as necessary to revive growth on a durable basis and mitigate the impact of COVID-19 on the economy. Right? What is meant by stance? Posture, pose, attitude, bearing. The government took a tough stance against terrorism. And what is the meaning of mitigate? Reduce, alleviate, lessen, diminish. If we take an example, the company was criticized for failing to mitigate risks at the plant, right? And the next one is, interestingly, the MPC non-too subtly tilted away from its inflation targeting mandate by downplaying the risks on the price pressures front when it assessed that supply shocks were mainly responsible for keeping inflation above the tolerance band for months. Okay, what is meant by subtly? Subtly. Subtly is nothing but in a way that is small or difficult to notice but important. It is very small to notice, but it is a very important one. That is the meaning of subtly. His expression changed subtly, right? These shocks it posited. What is meant by posited? Posited is nothing but put forward as a fact, postulate, propose. Several writers have posited the idea of universal consciousness should dissipate as the economy unblocks, supply chains are restored, and activity normalizes. As part of the shift in priority, it also made bold to project that it would stick the accommodative stance at least during the current financial year and into the next financial year. A forward-looking guidance that immediately prompted one of the new members, Jayant R. Verma, to dissent and vote against the wording. While one will have to wait for the minutes of the meeting to possibly glean the objections that Professor Verma, a markets expert, had the MPC's majority view of ensuring a dovish position on the interest rates for at least 6 months has left it little near-term leeway to tame prices pressure. Okay, what is meant by dissent? Dissent is nothing but disagreement. You're not agreeing with that. So you can say, I'm dissenting it. Disapproval, objection. Glean is nothing but obtain, get, draw, derive. Okay, from what I was able to glean, the news is not good. And what is the meaning of dovish? Dovish is nothing but supporting decision or other peaceful solution in political relationship. So dovish means supporting something which is related to politics. Okay, leeway, freedom, scope, room to maneuver. Okay, the law gives companies more leeway to make new amendments, right? And next para is RBI governor. Who is our RBI governor? Shaktikanta Das went to great lengths to emphasize that the current inflation hump was a transient phenomenon that needed to be looked through when taking measures to support the emerging impulses and helping the economy return to its feet. Through a series of liquidity enhancing and credit flow supportive steps, the central bank reiterated its commitment to maintaining stability in the financial market at a time when the resources strapped central and state governments are expected to resort substantially higher levels of borrowing to meet their spending needs. There can certainly be no argument at this point that the economy needs all the support it can get to recover from its 23.9% estimated contraction of the first quarter. The RBI, so because of pandemic, even everything has fallen down. So RBI also, it is saying that we must get a substantial recovery. Okay, just it indicated in the next sentence that the RBI sees a gradual recovery, forecasting a marginal growth of 0.5% in the fourth quarter that would narrow the full year contraction to 9.5%. It is the inflation assumptions, however, that cause disquiet. What is meant by disquiet and transient? Transient is nothing but lasting for a very short time. Ephemeral, okay, temporary, ephemeral. Disquiet means worry, anxiety, uneasiness, agitate, upset. Okay, the leader's decline in popularity is causing disquiet among supporters. Okay. It is the inflation assumptions, however, that cause disquiet. From a projection of 6.8% for Q2, CPI inflation is posited to sharply ease 5.4% in Q3 and 4.5% in Q4. In overlooking the risk that the persistence of supply bottlenecks, cost push pressures from higher taxes on transport fuels, and the possibility of food price inflation becoming entrenched post the outlook on prices, the RBI has clearly sought to talk of confidence. Okay, this was all about your first article, and I hope every one of you have understood this one. I thank every one of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.